Hey, good morning. It is 8:30, June 17th. The sun's not too bad. I'll turn this way. Don't know what we're doing today. We're walking. Mostly flat and downhill, and it's gonna be a great day. Beautiful. Temperature's supposed to be like 72. This was my view last night, and the stars last night were amazing. But yeah, get going here in a minute, and I'll check back with you in a little while. Good morning. It's about 8:35. We're about to head out, and we had a live special report from Johnny Q Slackpacker here. Johnny?
Johnny Q Slackpacker. Don't tell anybody I own a backpack. It's very unusual to see me like this, especially in such a beautiful area. There must be a way to find a slackpack today, and we think we know where we can get it. Turtle? What? We'll be on point. You be looking for any slackpacking opportunity that arises.
Oh, I will.
Okay. I like your glasses, by the way. You're looking some sharp, baby. We'll be back.
Anything to say of this sheer cliff face?
The magnitude of this cliff is rather impressive. I doubt it's a good place for a night hike. Each to his own.
Oh. Hey, guess what? We're going down there. Why'd we come up here?
You see the trail?
No.
I don't either.
Probably, though.
I don't see it either.
Well, it's been slow going today. This is how this crap has been. Both up and down and up and down and up and down. Small stretches just like this. I'm just really, my legs are really feeling fatigue from yesterday. And really ready to be off trail for a day or two and get some rest. This is day, so I've been on trail for about from my injury first. I think this is day 17, and I've had one off day. I'm definitely just feeling it. Just ready for an off day. It's supposed to rain this weekend, so perhaps I'll stay in on the weekend, but we'll see. Yeah, we got 3 more miles here. We're gonna go to the Mountain Garden. Hostel's gonna pick us up and bring us into Burke's Garden, which is mostly Amish town here in the little valley. Was the valley that my view was of at camp last night, and I showed you this morning, that little valley down there. That's Burke Garden. Check out this white sand. But yeah, we're going into Burke Garden, and we're gonna eat lunch at a little Amish restaurant. I'm really looking forward to that. It's something I haven't really experienced. And being the foodie that I am, I'm really excited about that. About 3 more miles till we can pick up our shuttle. But yeah, the knees are fried. The quads, calves, just legs in general, just fried. And then all this doesn't help, and poles keep getting stuck in between rocks. It's just a frustrating morning so far. But yeah, just kind of complaining today. But yeah, we'll just keep on pushing through, and we'll check back with you in a little while. This trail is beating me up today. There's grass everywhere, a lot of places, and land on one of these rocks. Ankle kind of turns. Can't go straight and fall over. It's just beating me up. I got about a mile to the road. The shuttle, Mountain Garden Hostel shuttle. It's gonna pick us up, bring us to Birch Garden, and I'm strongly considering a short day today, staying there, and I'll just have to catch up with them tomorrow or something. I really need to get off my feet and knees. A really nice place to sit. I'm just trying to get to the egress point. Anyhow, yeah, that's what I'm dealing with today. It's a beating. As you can just see, I stumbled. You can't see what you're stepping on sometimes. Oh, all right. I'll check back with you in a little bit. Hey guys, just a little quick update. We went down into Birch Garden, had some lunch at Maddie's, little Amish restaurant down there, store. Let me tell you, I have not ever had a better sandwich and a better hamburger and a better donut and a better cinnamon roll. Oh, I'm so full. At 4.5 miles to Jenkins Shelter. So worth going down there. Birch Garden is a beautiful little community. And yeah, it was just definitely worth going down there. Yeah, I'm gonna stumble my way 4.5 miles on this full belly into Jenkins Shelter and probably go to bed. But yeah, trail. It's been pretty flat for mostly the rest of the way. And as I say that, I'm going up a hill. But you know, a couple miles like this, and then just straight down to Jenkins Shelter. But I'll check back with y'all. And this is really awesome. This is the trail up between here. Must have an extra 5 pounds worth of food in my belly. So there's always that. I wanted to buy so much stuff at that store. I didn't want to carry it, so probably for the best. All right, we'll see y'all in a bit. Beautiful little section here. Trail's not too bad. There's a lot of rocks, but it's not too bad. A lot of giant rocks all around. This is very cool. Little rock outcroppings. This whole mountain made of stone. Really, really pretty. Alright, we'll check back with you in a little bit. Alright guys, it's been a long day and I'm really tired. Made it to the shelter here. I'm gonna get my crap together and get changed. Drink some water, eat a little snack. I'm not gonna eat a meal, it's my big lunch, but I'm probably gonna get everything squared away here and then get some sleep. So I'll talk to y'all later. See you in the morning. Good morning. It is about 8 o'clock. I don't know what day it is. It's Friday. It's Friday the 18th. My calves hurt, my knees hurt. It's cold. Yeah. Getting off trail today and going into Wythville. I'm not sure where I'm staying just yet, but I've got the next several days after today planned, so that'll be good. Yeah, it's Jenkins Shelter we stayed at last night. It's pretty crowded here. There's a lot of people tenting. It was just me and Frosty were the only two that stayed in the shelter. I probably would have been warmer if I stayed in my tent. I was just tired and didn't want to set up. But yeah, I'm getting ready to start hiking here, and I think we got to climb to start with, and then it flattens out. But yeah, I'll check back with you in a little bit. Hey guys, we've just been following this ridge. Been a really nice hike this morning. Not sure about everybody else. I think Frosty as well is going to. I'm calling it short today. Get like a Nero and a 0 in. I think Frosty is planning to get off as well. Couple more miles, but I don't know about Sherpa or Turtle. They may go on the rest of the distance, but I'm over it for right now and ready to get out, take a rest, and we'll check back with you. Frosty has a bench to sit on. He's very excited. You gonna sit on it? Yeah. You gonna take your pack off? Yep. Oh wow. All right.
Momentous occasion.
A momentous occasion. A bench in the middle of the trail. Oh, we got about a mile left.
I'm gonna break this thing.
It's just sitting there, isn't it? It's not even in the ground.
No, it's on the ground, but it's old and weak.
All right. Very pretty. Beautiful. Was that you screaming?
Yeah, I'm silly.